Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. chrutvaivāsurāḥ sarva āśrityauśanasaṁ matam devān pratyudyamaṁ cakrur durmadā ātatāyinaḥ. Hearing the pitiable condition of King Indra, the demons, following the instruction of the Guru Śukrācārya, equipped themselves with weapon and declared war against the demigods. So the situation is that Indra has displeased his spiritual master. Why? What is the reason? Because of his complacency. He had some achievement in material life, some money, some opulence, some beautiful woman, some followers. And because of which he became satisfied. And he forgot the real satisfaction is spiritual advancement. And it is an illusion. We get satisfied, dhanam, janam and sundari. So when I am satisfied in material life, that person is unfit for spiritual advancement. If Indra became satisfied by the material situation, then Indra become unfit for spiritual life. So similarly, his guru entered. But what is the need? What is the use? Therefore, the modern day civilization, they feel, actually they are not economically advanced, they feel they are economically advanced. That is also illusion. We see Nanda Maharaj, when Krishna was born, used to give charity in gold. So much charity. Even cows decorated with gold he used to give. You read or not? And Krishna, you can't imagine the kind of wealth was there. And he was only a Vaishya. The people are actually very opulent. Abhi kya hai? Paper currency. And people, Prabhupada jokes, they can't even give some gold jewelry to their wife. Today's Kali Yuga people. Actually, they are very poor. But somehow, they feel very rich. That's why I'm saying that is also wrong. They feel we are advancing, that is also wrong. Okay, even if we agreed that you are rich, that will not satisfy you. Nowadays in the modern society, the only standard of success is economic advancement. How much salary you are getting. After that, people will talk to you. First the major martara. Salary jasti ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ respectable person ಇದೆ. And salary ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. He is a thief. If suppose a poor man comes, everybody will hold his purse and sit in one corner. Why? Poor man in Kali Yuga, he must be thief. It is given in Bhagavatam. Rich man means, tumba chanagiddare. Just because he is a rich man. And many a time, rich person has become rich by stealing only. Correct? Many people have become rich just by stealing only. You know, we live in Mangalore. So many people have become rich here by selling liquor, arak. And when he become rich, they forget that person has made money just by selling liquor. Why respect? What is the respect? Is he due any respect? Correct? It is a sinful activity. You understand? So people are not considering that. Somehow there was a very nice joke, no? Somebody asked somebody, are you intelligent? A bit. He went in his pocket and took out lakhs of rupees. I am very intelligent. Intelligent means he knows somehow how to make money. Hook and crook make money. That is the standard. And once somebody has made money, society will say, he's successful. He's successful. And that person will feel, yes, I achieved. So that person become unfit for spiritual life. Janmaishwarya Shuta Shivi Edamana Madaha Puman. Queen Kunti says, we have quoted this many times. If somebody is intoxicated by these four things, Madaha means intoxicated. What are the four things? Janma. Janma means birth. Aishwarya. Aishwarya means wealth. Shruta, education. And Shri, beauty. If these four are giving you satisfaction, oh, I have done this year PhD, I have done here my Janma, I am born in this Gotra, or I am born in this country, I am an American citizen, I am a British citizen, Janma Shruta, a very great learning, and I am very beautiful, I am very handsome. Then what happens? Edaman madaha puman na ev arti abhidhatum vai. Arhati means he deserves. Abhidhatum, he cannot pray to the Lord feelingly. Why? Tvam akinchana gochara. Krishna is only achieved by people who akinchana, who don't possess anything. Kinchana means to possess. Devotee doesn't possess anything. He is very happy. Even though devotee may be the richest person in the world, he doesn't possess anything. He is detached. Just like the Pandavas are very rich. It's not that person has to be bankrupt to become devotee. No. Pandavas are very rich. But still they were great devotees of Krishna. There are so many kings, we know the history. They're very opulent, very rich, but they're great devotees. So these, our wealth, our beauty, if these things are becoming hindrance to Krishna consciousness, then Krishna will take it away. We have the example of Indra now. Very opulent, very rich, but it's neglecting his spiritual life. So what does Guru decided? It is actually by the blessing. This people do not know of today. It is by the blessing of the Brahmanas, the kings are rich. Previously it was known. The real, see, because Bhagavad Gita says, Parjanya Anna Sambhava. What is the shloka? Annad bhavati bhutani. All living entities subsist on food grain. Correct? Without food grain you can live. Annad bhavati bhutani. Then Parjanya Anna Sambhava. But next step, if you have little intelligence, can you see the next step? Some people cannot see that also. They are so foolish, they think food is formed in the factories. No sir, factories do not produce food. Food comes from rain, not your factories. From the land it comes, and it depends on the rain. Correct? If there is no rain, there is no groundwater also. Last year there was a problem. In Mangalore, we were looking for water. There was a shortage of water. Even groundwater was not there. So much it has finished. If there is no rain, even groundwater will finish. It's a matter of time. Correct? So, annad bhavati bhutani parjanya anna sambhavaha. Grain comes because of rain. Yagnad bhavati parjanya. Rain comes because of yagna. And who does yagna? The sages, the saints, the devotees. Therefore, in the Vedic culture, it was very much known. If I am eating food today, it is because of somebody doing yagna. And what is the yagna in Kali Yuga? Sankirtana yagna. Kalau sankirtana arambhe bhavishyami sachisutaha. The Lord Chaitanya comes as the mother, son of Mother Sachi to teach the Nama Sankirtana in Kali Yuga. Therefore, it is the Yuga Guru. What kind of Guru? Yuga Guru, Yuga Avatara. Who comes in the Yuga to teach how to perform the Yuga Dharma. And what is the Yuga Dharma? Nama Sankirtana. Your so-called meditation will not help you. With that will not bring rain. What will bring rain? Yagna. What kind of yagna? Sankirtana yagna. Why I can't do other homas? Not possible in Kali Yuga. For that homas you need chanting. Now sometimes rain is not there. They collect some people, and you have seen or not? They will sit inside some tub of water and they will do some puja. They try to do puja to the devatas. But actually, if you are intelligent, directly worship Vishnu. Why? Because Vishnu is pleased. Automatically all devatas are pleased. Why do you say so? It's because Vishnu is the origin. No? It is not difficult to understand. You put water in the root, it automatically goes to all the plants. All the reefs, branches, the water goes. Similarly, you put water at the lotus feet of Vishnu, all the devatas are satisfied. Okay? When you serve Vishnu, tasmin tushte, jagat tushtaha. If Vishnu is served, everybody is served. So therefore, in Kali Yuga, if you want to satisfy Vishnu, what is the process? Nama Sankirtana. But people are so dull-headed. This is also they don't know. Kali Yuga is the age of fools. Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu. In Satyuga, you can do meditation. Not for Kali Yuga, sir. Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu. Tretayam jatato makai. Tretayuga you should do yagnas. So why we cannot do meditation in Kali Yuga? Maybe some exceptional person is there, but generally not possible. Why? And on what meditate? Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu. Meditation is on Vishnu, not on some point or something. Somebody is telling, I meditate. I say, what do you meditate? I remove all thoughts. You are a stone or what? Mind means thoughts. You have to think about Krishna. So Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu, then Tretayam yajato makai. Tretayuga what you should do? Yagna. Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu Tretayam. How can yagna cannot be done in Kali Yuga today? What is the difficulty? Yeah, nobody there to chant the mantras properly. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Like that they will chant lot of Vedic mantras, starting in the Om. But to chant these mantras, you need proper pure consciousness. Today they come for money. No use those. You cannot please Vishnu with those yagnas. No use. Prabhupada said, waste of time and money. That's all. Even if you do yagna, lot of people will come. Lot of people will come. There was somewhere somebody said, I will do Kuvera Homa. Some town in Andhra Pradesh. Each family is giving 10,000. Kuvera means lot of money is there. So this business will run nicely. You can do all this thing. But Kali Yuga, if you are intelligent, is not yagnas. Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu Tretayam, it is in Treta Yuga. And also in yagna you have to put ghee, no? Not dalda. And ghee, what is the rate? 400 rupees liter. And that also not pure. Pure ghee you have to go to Goshala, they will charge any amount. All mixed. They put so many things they put. Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu Tretayam Makai Dvapare Parichaya. Dvapare Yuga Archana. Elaborate Archana that you see in Tirupati and all. Elaborate Archana. Take as some people can do. Can you do at your room? Where is the time? Where is the cleanliness standard for that? So Kalau, in Kali Yuga, particularly those who are students, what they can do in their hostel? They will do Archana. But what they can easily do? Nama Sankirtana. Therefore, our request is, wherever somebody is situated, please do Nama Sankirtana. Everything will be auspicious. Vardhanam. Everything will increase and everything will become auspicious. And what is the difficulty actually? I don't understand what is the difficulty. People do not like simple path. Therefore, they assert they are very unfortunate in Kali Yuga. Manda Sumanda Matiyo Manda Bhagya. Very unfortunate. Why? Because such a simple process is there to satisfy Vishnu, they will not accept. Kritvaivāsurāḥ Vishnu Tretayam Jito Makai Dvapare Parichayaya Kalo Dadhari. So actually, because people are doing sincerely Hari Kirtana, people in Mangalore are getting rain and they are eating. They should know this fact. They don't know. Previously, they used to know this. Every king was aware. I am today eating nicely because these Brahmanas are doing yagna. Because you can see only one stage. Just like people are today. What you are eating? Food. From where you get the food? From the shop. Shop is producing the food. People are dull-headed in Kali Yuga. Food is not produced by the shops. Food is produced in the ground, the grain. And that depends on rain. Annad bhavati bhutani parjanya anna samava. Second stage tak nahi dikhta aaj logon ko. Most of the people don't even know how to grow one plant. They don't know. How many people know? Jana ke gotela. It's very important. How food will come? Second stage is not. But third stage is people can never know. Yagnad bhavati parjanya. Yagna. And then what is the last shloka? Last line. Yagna karma samudbhavaha. Yagna comes because you prescribe duty, not what you imagine your duty. To my wife, family, no. Prescribed duty. Because this whole society is performing yagna. Whatever, just like brahmanas are doing yagna. Again now, not birth brahmana, they are useless. We are talking about brahmanas who are brahma janate iti brahmana, who are great devotees of the Lord. That is called brahmana. Not simply by birth we are 2 rupee thread. That is useless. And their yagna has no value. When the brahmanas do yagna, other section of the society are assisting them. Because in varnashrama, all sections of society are satisfying, are cooperating to serve Vishnu. The principle of varnashrama is not one man exploiting another man. I explained that many times. Varnashrama, the purpose should be first understood. Just like in a company, purpose is only one to make money. But then all the people are cooperating for that. Correct? Somebody is administration, somebody is finance, somebody is labor department, somebody is this department. They are cooperating. End result is money. But in varnashrama, the end result is not money, as today's fool's paradise. End result is satisfaction of Vishnu. Samsiddhi hari toshanam. Nanyat tattoshakaranam. There is no other purpose of varnashrama. To satisfy Vishnu, different sections of society are, what are they doing? They are cooperating. That is varnashrama. So in this varnashrama, I may not be doing yagna, but I am doing something to help this yagna. It is accepted. Because that is also needed, no? Suppose Brahmana is doing homa, you are going purchasing ghee from the market. That is also yagna. You are cleaning the place for homa. That is also yagna. You are seeing there is all peace in the place so that yagna can happen. Nobody comes and disturb. You are standing like a guard there. You are a Kshatriya. That is also yagna. You are bringing ghee for the yagna. You are a Vaishya. You are also doing yagna. And somebody is a Shudra is cleaning the place for yagna. He is also participating in yagna. Correct? Everybody. Yagna karma samudbhavaha. If the goal is yagna, whatever you do is fine. But today in the society, whatever you do is useless because the goal is not yagna to Vishnu. Goal is sense gratification. Therefore, whatever so-called duty you do in society will not take you to Vaikuntha, will take you to Naraka because the goal is sense gratification. But in the Vedic society, goal is samsiddhi hari toshana. Now, Indra is not a fool. Indra understands this point. My guru, Brihaspati, is doing yagna to satisfy Vishnu. Because of his yagna, the Lord is satisfied. Because Lord is satisfied, I am having some opulence and I am a king of heaven. But somehow he forgot that principle. Just like most of the people in the society today. I'll tell you an example to understand this. There was once a sage. It's a very deep principle. Please try to understand this. Revolution. One sage was sitting. So one rat came to him. I am in trouble. The sage was doing Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So one rat comes. He said, what is the problem? He said, please help me, sage. What do you want? Cat is chasing me. Okay. I'll make you cat. He gives him blessing. Some bhava, Billy bhava. He becomes a cat and he runs away. Very happy. After some time comes the trouble. Why? A dog is chasing. Okay. Kukura bhava. He became a dog and he ran away. And then next day again he came. He said, what is the problem now? Now the tiger is chasing me. He said, what? So he said, no. Okay. Simha bhava. Now he becomes a tiger. And next he was staring at the sage. The sage was very intelligent. He said, what? You want to eat me now? He said, huh. He said, Punar Mushika bhava. Again become mouse. You understand? So Prabhupada says this point. In fact, he said that in America. He said, you American nation, because of blessing, actually their ancestors are very devoted. You see in America there are a lot of churches now. Now nobody is going. Ancestors used to go. Because of their some yagna, some worship the Lord which has happened before by blessings, somehow they become rich. But now, after becoming rich, you deny God, you defy God, punar mushika bhava, just wait and watch your condition very soon. Prabhupada told them, your condition will be, you cannot even imagine. And because of grace of God, anybody is rich and comfortable, he is because of grace of God. If he neglects worship to God, punar mushika bhava, he will be a rat. And now the Bhagavatam is giving example of Indra. Very soon, Indra is going to become a rat. He'll lose all his kingdom and he'll be hiding. Right? So this is actually a principle. We should never feel just because I got some comfortable position in this world, we should never become proud. We should always know whatever I have is by grace of God, and always we should have gratitude, and always we should be seeking opportunity to serve God. Okay? We should always be seeking an opportunity. Just like we are having the Janmashtami function, we invite everybody. 25th of August, the function is there. Correct? So inviting all the audience also now on the TV. They can all come. It's a good opportunity. So why do we come for Janmashtami? What is the purpose? Show gratitude. My Lord, it is by your mercy, by your grace, I am eating food today, I am breathing air today, I am getting sunshine. Correct? Nobody is producing all this thing. It's coming all by the grace of the Lord. I am living today. I have just come to express my gratitude. I am your humble servant. Okay? We should not think just because I got little coins in my pocket, we should not become unnecessarily proud. It is all by the grace of God. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
Hare